How to combat professional burnout. Here are 10 tips.
Set boundaries. Clearly define your work hours and avoid working overtime unless absolutely necessary. Having a clear end to your workday can help recharge. Take breaks. Incorporate regular breaks during the day, even if it's just a few minutes to stretch, walk, or relax. Prioritize self-care. Maintain a routine that includes sleep, balanced meals, exercise, and relaxation. Physical well-being impacts mental resilience. Delegate when possible. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Delegate tasks when you can to reduce overwhelming workloads. Connect with others. Talking with co-workers, friends, or family can provide a support system and help relieve stress. Focus on work-life balance. Engage in hobbies or activities outside of work that bring you joy and fulfillment. Practice mindfulness and relaxation. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga can help reduce stress and improve focus. Set realistic goals. Break tasks down into manageable goals. Taking small steps makes large tasks feel more achievable and less stressful. Learn to say no. If you're overwhelmed, don't take on additional work. It's okay to prioritize your well-being. Consider talking to a professional. If burnout persists, consult a mental health professional who can help you develop strategies to manage stress effectively.